Breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. Uber and Lyft have announced that they are doing a hiring freeze, meaning Lyft literally just announced that they are not hiring any new employees through the end of the year. And Uber said they are not going to be hiring as many people as well. Both Uber and Lyft their stocks are in the dumps today. They're both falling big. We're gonna get into the news. Please thumbs up the video, my friends. Also, before I get started, I want to tell you all about our new sponsor, Solo. Solo is an incredible business app for gig workers. They help Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, all the major gig app workers make more money, manage their expenses, help with taxes. What else? They also get you guaranteed pay in a lot of markets. This is a really incredible, the best app really for business, business side of things for drivers. Every driver needs to have this. As a driver, you're basically an independent contractor, you've got all these expenses. Make sure you're not paying too much in taxes. Make sure you know where your money's coming from and get that guaranteed pay. For a limited time, when you use our link below to sign up for Solo, they're gonna give you $10 simply for using our link below. And now let's get started. So, big update. Lyft and Uber shares are tanking after the Post's report on rideshare hiring freeze. Lyft's shares tumbled in pre-market trading on Wednesday following the Post report that it implemented a hiring freeze and Uber wasn't spared from the pain. So, this is what Lyft spokesperson Ashley Adams said. Like many other companies navigating an uncertain economy, we are pausing hiring for all US-based roles through the end of the year. Uber said in May that it was slowing hiring and tightening its belt to weather an economic downturn, but has not announced a full hiring freeze. So Lyft, my friends, freezes all US hiring amid stock slump, economic downturn. Rideshare app Lyft is freezing all hiring in the United States through the end of 2022. The news comes amid a broader economic slump that has sent Lyft stock tumbling 68% this year. Lyft stock is down 68%. That means if you put in $100 of Lyft stock, your money will now be worth 32 bucks. I believe I did the math correctly. Do not quote me on that, because I'm not a mathematician and I'm not a stock trader and I'm not a financial advisor, but that's what I believe 68% means. Like many other companies navigating an uncertain economy, we're pausing hiring for all US-based roles through the end of the year. After the Post reported the hiring freeze, Lyft shares fell 3.8%, just when you thought it wouldn't get any worse. And also in July, Lyft said they laid off 60 employees. So they're gonna continue laying off workers, firing bad workers, and not hiring any new people. So Lyft's workforce is going, Lyft stock is going, although maybe it's a good time to buy in. If this is the bottom, maybe Lyft stock's going to go back up in 2023. I don't know, guys. So anyways, I don't really, invest in stocks too much right now. I'm kind of just holding on because the market's so crazy. But I'm also not selling, so I'll put it that way. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know your thoughts on this one. But just for clarification purposes, this is for employees, not drivers. So if you're a driver, you should be fine for now, but maybe you're next. Thanks for watching, guys. Use our link below to sign up for Solo, get your 10 bucks, and they're gonna help you with your business expenses, with taxes, and make more money, and also guaranteed pay. And get your $10 below for signing up using our link your gig account, type in your payment method in the wallet, and you can get 10 bucks. Thanks for watching, bye now.